today we will see about cooking oil. Free from Argemone oil. Many of you know this and some may not. So I just want to share. In this oil pack, it is written free from Argemone oil. Argemone oil is extracted from argemone seeds. It is mixed with sunflower oil and sesame oil to increase quantity. Using this oil leads to health disorders among children like swelling of leg. To avoid this, we must check the contents of the cooking oil. Many oil brands mention free from Argemone oil on their packs. So next time, see this and buy oil. Thank you. Bye.